What is good, Houdini world? That's right, it is the end of the night, but before I go home, it's important that I clean my tools. And one of the tools that I want to make sure that I clean every night is this one right here, guys. This is the Foil FX. All right, very important that you do this for a couple of different reasons. One, it's important to really keep this running efficient, but also you have to really clean this and disinfect it to prevent any bacteria from building up. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. All right, guys, welcome to the shampoo bowl. That's right, if you don't have a shampoo bowl, it's okay. You can do this at any sink as long as they have hot water, right? Hot water is really the key here, and I like to use hot water because it also disinfects and it helps clean the blades. All right, so here we're going to do this. All right, guys, first things first, you're going to look for this little button right here. This little button is going to allow you to unlatch the foil heads from the blades. All right, so you just go ahead and do that, and it comes right off just as easy as that. You'll have a lot of the little residue and a lot of the little hairs fall right out into the bowl. Next, I like to place my foil shaver up here, but hold on to the foil itself. I like to turn on the water sprayer. Wait for it to heat up. I want it to get really hot, guys, as hot as it gets, as hot as possible. All right, when you start to see steam, it's time to go. I go ahead and just start cleaning it out, just like so. All right, just let the spray action do the cleaning. No need to press on the foils or anything like that. Okay, it's really hot, I can feel it. Give it a little tap. It looks good to go. All right, it's clean from the inside, clean from the outside. Next, I take the actual unit, and same thing. What I do is with this is I turn it upside down because you don't want water to actually seep into the unit. So I'll turn it upside down and just really being very careful. Just clean the blades and make sure that you get all that residual buildup out. All right, check it out. You can turn it over to make sure you got everything, and it looks good from here. Next, what I like to do is I like to take my all-in-one clipper spray, and I like to spray it, okay? Because this also disinfects as well. It's also a rust preventative. So it cleans, it prevents rust, and it also will add a light film of lubrication to it, which is great. So you'll see I'm just really zeroing in just on the blades, guys. You don't have to go and clean this up at all or hit it with any of the disinfectant. Not necessary, okay? Just zeroing in on the blades itself. All right, so just like that, right on top, boom. Do it on one side, spray on the other side, we're good to go. All right? Make sure you look for where the holes match. Press them in, and it's simple as that. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and dry them off. Make sure you dry the unit very lightly. Just, you can go ahead and clean that off. And then last but not least, I like to hit it with a little blow dry action, just a blow dryer, just ever so slightly, to make sure I don't leave any moisture inside of the unit. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that and finish it off. All right, guys, we've really thoroughly cleaned this out, but it's important to remove all the moisture. So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and just take a blow dryer, all right, on high with high heat, and just start drying the foils first, just like this. When you're done with that, you can go ahead and remove the foil head, okay? And dry the inside. Make sure all the moisture is removed. Now it's time to match them up. And there you have it, guys, all right? It's important to do this, guys, once a day. Very important, okay? This is a thorough clean that has to be done once a day, all right, to prevent any type of bacteria, any type of fungus. In between the time that you're not doing this thorough cleaning, you should always use your all-in-one clipper spray to spray these foils. Each and every client, very, very important. For a link to the all-in-one clipper spray, you can look, and I'll leave a link at the bottom. But it's very important, guys, to take care of your tools. So I hope I helped you learn and really just understand how important it is and how to thoroughly clean this machine. I'm Harry Houdini. I want to say thanks so much for checking out this video. Keep living and learning, and most importantly, keep taking care of your tools. Houdini style.